Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete notes from Instagram Reels and posts. Stick around until the end. And if you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find the post with the notes you want to remove, whether they're yours or someone else's. Once you've located the post, tap on it to open. You'll see the note messages over your image or video. For notes added by someone else, simply long press the note to bring up a pop-up menu. Then select Delete Note. If you want to delete your own note, just tap on it, and from the pop-up, choose Delete Note. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the notes from your posts and Reels. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.